Hello dear students, so now today we would move ahead in this third chapter of class 7th mathematics, that is decimals. Okay, so I have some new questions here today for you. Like the first one is divide all by 100, means you have to divide all these given the decimals by 100. Okay, how to divide this by 100? Now let's see. You have the first one I'm doing before you, rest you have to do on your own. Okay, so first one is 459.5, that is you have to have, that is to be divided by 100. Okay, now if you see here, after one you have two zeros. So if you have two zeros, then the decimal would shift two places towards the left. If 10, then it would shift one place. Okay, so here you have 20, so this decimal would shift from here to here, isn't it? This would come here, so answer would be 4.595, isn't it? So this is how you would solve the question. Okay, this was the first question. Let's say you are to solve this one, third one. Let me tell you this one also, 0.7 by 100. How would you solve this? Okay, now again if you see, the decimal is going to be shifted two places, but you have only one place here. Here two zeros, here you have only one place, so one more place you need. So I would place here one more zero, here I would place one more zero, and then the decimal would come here. So answer would be 0.007. Answer would be 0.007. Are you getting this? This is how you would write the answer. Okay, and the rest of the question you have to do on your own, isn't it? Okay, now let me tell you, all the rest of the question you have to do on your own. Now we would do the next question. You would start doing the next question. Next question is divide 235, means you have to divide all by 1000 now. Okay, so first one is divide 235.41 by 1000. You have to divide it by 1000. Now if you see, in 1000 you have three zeros. So if you have three zeros, so decimal would shift three places, 1 2 3. So decimal would now be shifted to here. So answer would be 0.23541. 0.23541. Okay, you can write 0 here also, no matter. Okay, are you getting this? So this is how you would solve the question. Okay, similarly, let's say you have to solve 0.3, sorry 0.7, that is the fourth one. Let's say you have to divide 0.7 by 1000. How do you divide? Again you have to shift three places, because three zeros are there, so three place you would shift, but you have only one place. For two more place you need, so 1 0 and one more zero I would place here. Then this decimal would come here. So answer would be 0.0007. 0.0007. Here also you can write 0. Okay, so that is how you would write the answer of the given question. Okay, and the rest of the question you have to do on your own, isn't it? Okay, now let's move ahead. The next question is divide, first one, 0.45 by 9. Let's say you have to divide 0.45 by 9. How do you divide this? This is the first one, 0.45 by 9. So the normal division that you are doing and already knowing also, that we would do here, means 0.45, that is to be divided by 9. Okay, now if you see, 0 is not divisible, so this decimal would come. So write this decimal first. Now you have 4. 4 means 4 only. So again 4 is not divisible by 9, so write here 0. Now this 45. Now divide this 45 by 9. How many times it will go? 9 5 ja 45. So answer would be 0. Remainder would be 0. So answer is 0.05. How much is the answer? 0.05. Or you can write it as 0.05. Both are same, isn't it? Now the next question is, let's say you have to divide, which one should I tell? Let's say you have to divide this one, second one, sorry, the fourth one, 0.192 by 12. That is the fourth one, 0.192 by 12. Okay, so the normal division that you are doing, 0.192 by 12. Now if you see 0 is not divisible, then decimal is here, so write this decimal here. Then you have 1. Again 1 is also not divisible by 12. write here 0. Then this 9 would come here. So now you have the digit 19. Now how many times it would go? 12 1 ja 7 is the remainder, isn't it? How much is the remainder? 7 is the remainder. Now this 2 would come here. So 12 6 ja 72. Answer is 0.016. 0.016. This is how you would solve the given question, isn't it? Hope you are getting this. Getting it or not? So that is how you would solve the given questions here. Okay. So now let's try some other questions also. Let's say you have the question. Which one should I tell you? Let's say let's do this 8th one now. 8th one. Question is 8th one, that is 31.92, and that is to be divided by 228. Okay, let me solve this. 31.92, you have to divide this by 220. Now first you would divide this 31, before decimal is 31, so divide this 31 by 228, not divisible because 31 is lesser than 220, smaller than. Okay, so now this decimal would come here. Now you would divide 319, these 3 digits you have now. Okay, how many times it would go? 1 time. 228 1 is 228. Just subtract 1, and then you have 11 minus 2, that would be 9, isn't it? 11, is it correct? 11 minus 2, that would be 9. Okay, then next digit, what is the next digit there? That is 2. So this 2 would come here now. How many times it would be divisible? If you see, 4 8 is 32. Yes, 4 times. How many? 4 times. How many times? 4. Just multiplied by 4. 4 8 is 32. 2 carry 3. 4 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 11. Carry 1. 4 2 is 8 plus 1 9. Now complete division. So answer is how much? 0.14. 0.14. Or you can write 0.1. So this is how you would solve the given question. Okay. Rest of the question you have to solve on your own. Okay. Hope you are knowing how to divide in case when you have the other numbers. Here in the previous cases we have the other numbers were like by which you are dividing like in the form of zeros, 10, 100, 1000, but here some different kind of numbers are there. Okay, so that also we have divided by the first method. You cannot use the second method here. Okay, so that is all for today. We'll be discussing some more questions of this chapter in the upcoming lectures. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you. Have a good day.